we're going to take the right hand index finger and tap on the 6th string 7th fret. We do this by pressing against the string and the fretboard with enough force for the note to come out. So let's go ahead and play the 7th fret of the 6th string with the index finger. Let's repeat that one more time. Now we're going to move to the 5th fret and do the same with the index finger. The second variation of the right hand tapping that we will use is the partial bar, which will be with the side of the index finger. And we're going to get nice and close to the fret bar of the 7th fret. And when we do this, we're going to play both the 6th and 5th strings at the same time. So let's go ahead and fret the 7th fret of the 6th and 5th strings with the side of the index finger. Again. So if you notice, my thumb here is at the top of the neck, and I have a slight bent wrist with my right hand. That gives me more balance and enables me to have enough pressure for the notes to come out harmonically. Let's play it again in the 7th fret, 6th and 5th strings. One more time. Now let's move on to the 5th fret and do the same. Let's add some rhythm to the right hand tapping. We're going to play 4 beats or a whole note for each tap. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, prepare. 1, 2, 3, 4, back. 2, 3, 4, prepare. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1.
If you're serious about developing your fingerstyle technique as efficiently as possible, you can download the full practice package for this workout by visiting our Patreon page at the link below.